right. A couple more Geomagic examples. So we got Geomagic Wrap and Geomagic for SolidWorks. So Wrap is basically Geomagic's and well, not an answer because it's been around for quite a while, but it's very similar to VX Model in that you're extracting features and then transferring or saving them out and importing them into other programs. You know, why would you get Geomagic Wrap if you've got these other options? If you need a mesh editor, is bar none our best mesh editing software out of everything. If you need to make really nice, clean meshes very quickly, it does have very, very powerful functions. We can also do direct scanning into it with anybody's solution. So if you have other options, same thing with Geomagic for SolidWorks. Any of the Geomagic products are universal with scanners, so you can do direct scanning if you have older technology or other technology. Okay, Geomagic for SolidWorks. You know why somebody use that? If you're like, I definitely just want to work in in SolidWorks. Geomagic for SolidWorks is a plugin that you can access in your SolidWorks, lets you scan into it and do your reverse engineering, and it gives you the ability to kind of to utilize SolidWorks features as well as its automatic extraction features. So it's another cool option as well, that we have available, doing very similar stuff to what I just showed.